All right, what's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about Shiba Inu's price right now and talk about where it could be heading next. Peter Brandt is a huge analyst who's been looking at the prices of SHIB and many different cryptocurrencies. He has some thoughts on kind of where we are with Shiba Inu and really where we are with the overall cryptocurrency market. He believes this area right now that Shiba Inu is in, trading in these 13s right now. I think it's like 13.3 at last check. It's kind of a critical consolidation zone right now for SHIB, right? The 12.8 range turned into support after we broke through that resistance last weekend. Last Sunday is when we broke through that 12.8. Floodgates opened for us. We went all the way up to the 18 range, and now that same 12.8 level acts as our really strong line of support. So we're trading slightly above that right now, but we're kind of in a holding pattern as many people are kind of waiting to see what the Feds are going to do in September, right? So I don't expect, a bunch of activity right now unless we get some crazy news about, the Shiba Inu card game or Shibarium. If there's a catalyst like that, that could really shift, obviously, the narrative and the sentiment. But right now, I think a lot of people are in kind of that wait and see approach. But Peter Brandt had some thoughts right now showing that if we can kind of stay above that crucial support line of 12.8, we're kind of gearing up for potentially a big run. And an inverted head and shoulders pattern could be forming. And a lot of other people have been saying this, that this is maybe just the beginning, this latest run up of Shiba Inu, when we zoom out a little bit over the next couple months, right? It's looking like more and more people are coming into SHIB, and you can see that on the weekly charts, right? When in doubt, zoom out a little bit. If you take a look at the weekly charts for Shiba Inu, we hit those low points back in June, but since then, it has really been picking up. A lot of the interest is there. Whale activity is up. People are burning more Shiba Inu, which just goes to show you that the sentiment around the overall project is moving up. It's gearing up, and it makes sense because Shibarium is still in the wings, and we have many other catalysts. One being the Shiba Eternity card game that a lot of people are excited about. How many new investors that'll bring in, I'm not quite sure. I hope it does. I hope it brings in a ton of new people. I do think people in Vietnam had something to do with the run-up last week, but I do think it was mostly whale activity. But if this game is a huge hit, it will certainly bring more and more people into the ecosystem, and of course we'll continue to monitor that as they do their various test phases. It could be Indonesia now after Vietnam. We'll see exactly how they play their cards there, but that's kind of the latest what I've got for you in terms of a price analysis on SHIB right now. We're going to continue to monitor it. And again, the big date we're looking for is the next Fed meeting, 21st of September. That will be crucial for all of crypto, including Shiba Inu. So I'll check in with you at a later date. Thank you so much for popping in. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.